friends, Kendra here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra and I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and some travel videos for you guys. So if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, ring my bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. So you guys, today I'm super excited about this video. Why? Because it has to do with my locks and wigs. Y'all know I love wigs. The wig slayage is not gonna stop, okay? We're still gonna be wearing wigs. As long as I can fit these locks under a wig, we're still gonna be wearing wigs, okay? So the issue here is that my locks are getting really thick, okay? They're thickening up, they're swelling up, and it's getting a little bit harder to fit them under my wigs. So I wanna show you guys that process, how I take care of my locks under my wigs, how I'm able to get my locks as flat as possible so that my wigs can lay nicely. Now, today will be a little bit of a challenge because I'm used to working with textured hair, big curly hair, but today's wig is straight. So we really gonna have to do some slayage, okay? Today's wig is straight, so this is different for me. I don't really, like to review straight wigs. I love textured hair, so I figured I'd step outside my box and show you guys what I can do, okay? So, yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested and you wanna see the process, keep on watching. Is in collaboration with AliQueen, so thank you so much AliQueen for sponsoring this video, for partnering with me on this video. So they sent me a unit, you guys, and it's a beautiful unit. It's totally outside of what I usually do. Color, style, everything is totally outside what I usually wear. So this is gonna be new to me as well as new to y'all, okay? So this is the unit here. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the package, all right? So this is a body wave 1B/30, which is the color. It's a frontal wig, 150% density. Let me take this wig out and then I'll tell you guys all of the specs on it. So, y'all ready for this? Okay, this is new. Y'all ready? All right, so we got color, you guys, and y'all know I don't be doing this for real. So when I saw this, I was like, okay, yeah, this is kind of cute. I like the color. I like the blonde, brownish highlights on it. It is a lace front, so this is how much parting space you get. It does have an adjustable strap. These days, this is the only thing that I would really use. I may need to cut these combs out because I don't want anything poking my locks, okay? So we don't do combs over here, all right? So I will not be using these combs whatsoever, but it has 3 combs in it, 1 at the nape and then 2 on the sides, and there's the one on the nape, 2 on the sides, and then an adjustable strap, which is great. And as you can see, they did bleach the knots a little bit. I think the color of the hair is really going to help it blend in with my scalp. So I'm super excited about that. It is a body wave, so it does have a natural wave to it. All right, you guys, now in order to get my hair underneath this wig, because it's a straight wig, it's not textured, so it's not gonna be big hair, I really have to make sure that my hair is extremely flat. So I'm gonna be corn rolling it back, okay? As small as possible so that it'll lay as flat as possible. And again, my hair is really thickening up. So I'm gonna start on my sides. I'm going to braid this as gentle as possible because I definitely don't wanna pull at my edges. But try to get it as flat as possible. If you feel something pull it back out. I think I was able to get it as flat as possible. So this is what we got. And of course, I did not braid all the way down. I didn't want to put any tension on the hair back here, so this is what we have. All right, you guys, so now I'm going to apply a wig cap to my hair. Ooh, the color. Okay, this is cute. Do I do a middle part or do I do a side part? I don't know. All right, you guys, so I put the wig on and I kind of put it in a ponytail to keep it out of my way. I have it placed where I want it to lay, which I think is pretty nice. It fits pretty nicely around the ears. So I have this little part cut out here. We're gonna lay that down. So we're just gonna be laying down the front. Even though this is a 360 wig and you can wear it up in the back, I'm not about that life right now. We're just gonna be laying down the front because I'm gonna be either wearing it in a low pony or down, okay? So first of all, this is cute and I feel like it's kind of laid flat. What do you guys think? I feel the humps, but you can't really see them, right? And I'm only gonna be using Gots to Be, okay? I don't need anything else. So I'm gonna lift this up, slide it back a little bit. I'm gonna spray the Gots to Be. All right, so now I wanna go ahead and lay the wig back down. Bam. I'm gonna go ahead and take a scarf and just kind of lay it across my edges and let this set. All right, so I'm gonna let this set until it's dry and then we'll come back and style. All right, you guys, edges are dry. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch me style this unit. absolutely love the colors in this wig. This right here is giving me all kinds of life. I absolutely love it. I would say that the hair straightened really well. I was able to get it quite bone straight. And it laid pretty nice and flat considering my hair is so much thicker with my locks. So yes, look at this. Laid, honey, laid. I am super happy with this unit. This might be New Year's hair. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, of course, I cannot do a wig review without giving you guys a discount code. So definitely check the description box below for that code for money off. So yeah, shout out to AliQueen and this unit. I am in love with it. Comment down below and let me know what you think about the unit, the color, how I laid it, so on and so forth. And I'll talk to you guys down below in the comment section. Bye.